Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are talking about what exactly is MX Player private folder, how you can use MX private folder. So this is very simple. Today I will show you and complete steps. First of all, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more technical videos. Here guys, once you open your MX Player, you will see here at the top private folder which is showing here with the name privacy. Click on it. Here you will see a private folder. All right, and another one is you just go back and click on me, bottom right corner option me. Then here you will see this option private folder. What exactly private folder is? Private folder is a folder where you can hide your photos, videos, documents with a secret code. Alright guys, this is very simple. That's called private folder. Okay, so how you can use private folder? First of all, open the folder and select the file which you want to hide in private folder. Click on three dots, then click it on lock in private folder. Alright, then just click on add button. After that, after clicking on add, one file being locked, and your all locked files will be shown here in private folder. Click on private folder and enter your code or secret password that you are already set. Okay, then you will see all the locked folders here. So I hope this video helped you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.